Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I hope you are enjoying the journey of Python with me, guys. Okay, so let's start from the very basic topic of Python, that is list. So yes, this is the module 3. As you can see over the screen, this is module 3. I have already discussed the module 1 and module 2, in which I have discussed the first thing, that is basics of Python, and after that I have discussed the variables and other things in module 2. So you can watch the video if you have not watched it. Okay, so let's start. This is third session of the Python, in which I will discuss the module 3, in which I will explain the data structures in Python working with list, tuples, sets and dictionaries, and you will get to understand the list comprehensions and their use cases. Okay guys, so yes, without getting delay, let's start. First of all, you have to understand what is list in Python. I hope you are familiar. If you are a student of technical background, then you are just familiar with this word, what is list. So yes, lists are one of the most commonly used data structure in Python, right? They allow you to store multiple items in a single variable. Think about it, a list is ordered, mutable and can contain duplicate values. Just remind it always. Remember it always, like list is ordered, mutable and can contain duplicate values. Okay, this is the main feature of list, so you have to remember it. And after that, because of their flexibility, they are widely used in a stored collection of items like numbers, strings or even other list. And one more important thing about lists are defined using square brackets. You have to understand that. And the basic definition of list, as you can see over the screen, that is, a list is an ordered mutable means changeable collection of elements. It can store element of different data types, and the example of list is here. As you can see here, example is here. Just follow my cursor. Okay guys, so yes, example is here: fruit, apple, banana, mango. As I discussed, that lists are defined using square brackets. So as you can see here, that here I'm just using this square bracket, and in which I have just written the apple, banana and mango etc. Okay, and you can yes, you can run this code, you can print this code, and you will get the output banana, right? And this is not only for theoretical session. So yes, I will just show you the practical part also, and let's go for practical part. So I'm just going to show you the output of this. Yes, output of this code is here. First you can write the code in Jupyter Notebook, as I have discussed about the Jupyter Notebook and how you can install the Anaconda. I have already discussed it. Okay, so you can launch the Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda Navigator, and after that you can use this code. You can write this code in Jupyter Notebook, and after that you will run it and you get the output whatever you wish you can write in the code. I have just written the fruits name, that is apple, banana, mango. So yes, print fruits is here, and fruits append orange, right? So yes, as you can see, fruits is apple, banana and mango. This create a list named fruits with 3 string elements. I have discussed already the data type string in yesterday's session. Okay, so here apple, banana and mango, this is the list of fruits, and this is string elements. The order matters. Index 0 is apple. Yeah, order very much important here. So as you can see, always count from 0, 1 and 2. Guys, follow my cursor. Okay, here 0, 1 and 2. It is not count it will not count from 0. Okay, so index 0 apple, index 1 banana and index 2 mango, and after that you will print the fruits. Okay, so yes, this is the output banana. You can see fruits. Okay, so this prints the item at index 1. What is written over here, that print fruits and inside it 1. In square bracket you can see that there is 1. So what does it mean? It will return the value of the index number 1. So yes, this print the item at index 1, which is banana. Indexing in Python. When you yes, I have discussed about indexing. So yes, you can see on index 1 there is a banana, so you can get the output banana. Indexing in Python starts from 0. Yes, and fruits dot append, the next line of code is fruits dot append orange. So what does it mean? The append method adds orange to the end of the list. Okay, lists are mutable, so this change affect the original list. And now you can see the next code is fruits dot remove banana. And yes, the remove function, whatever the functions we can use here, it is our choice. So I have used the remove function. Remove methods delete the first occurrence of banana from the list. Now the list has apple, mango and orange because we have replaced the mango with orange. Okay, so guys, you can write these lines of code in your system and you can get the output. I can show you what would be the output of this code. So just I am copying here and I'm just pasting here, and you can see the cursor. And yes, you can run it by press Control Enter, and you can see the output banana. Yeah, okay guys. And finally the prints. Yes, this prints the updated list apple, mango and orange. Okay, now I will discuss the next topic, that is tuples in Python. Okay, tuples are like list, but they are immutable in nature. Okay, as we have discussed that list is mutable in nature, it means that it is changeable in nature, but tuples are not changeable in nature, it is immutable in nature. Once a tuple is created, you cannot change its value. No adding, no deleting, no modifying. Okay, and tuples are used when the data should remain constant throughout the program. They are defined using parentheses. As you know that lists are defined by using the square bracket, but tuples are defined by using the parentheses. And moving to the next thing, that yes, I will discuss more about tuples. So this makes tuples useful for storing fixed set of values such as coordinates, date of birth, configuration setting or database record. And if we talk about the example of Python, then you can see that this is the example of Python. Coordinates 10.5, 20.8, and then you can print the coordinates and you will get the output 10.1 at 10.5. And most important thing, that you can observe one thing here, that what is in inside the square bracket, there is 0. So yes, index 0. So yeah, this print function will return the value, will return the output of index 0. And what is the value of index 0? As you can see that 10.5 is the value of index 0. And what is the use case of tuple? So yes, ideal for store fixed data like coordinates, RGB color codes or database records where values should not change. Right guys? So I should discuss more about code because I think this would be a little bit difficult for you guys. So yes, what does min coordinates? So yes, this line creates a tuple named coordinates with two float values, right? First is 10.5 and second is 20.8. Once created, then the values cannot be changed because this is tuple. It is not changeable in nature. And the second line is print coordinates 0. So yes, this accesses and print the first element in the tuple using index 0, which is 10.5. And now I will show you the output. Okay, I will take very less time. So yeah, you can see, you can copy the code from here and then you can print. Yes, you can paste here and then you can run it, and then you can get the output, that is 10.5, right? So even though you can access element using indexing just like list, you cannot perform operations like append, remove or change values directly in the tuple. This is the most important thing thing that you should know. Now I will discuss the most important thing of Python and the next topic of this module, that is set in Python. Yes, what is set in Python? Set is an unordered mutable collection of unique collection elements. Okay, so yes, sets are unordered collection of unique elements. This means a set cannot contain duplicate values, right? Because it contains the unordered collections of unique elements. Unique means what? Unique means single, not duplicate values, not repetitive values. Sets are defined using curly braces. Yes, most important thing, because as we have discussed that list are just defined by a square bracket, and then we get to know that tuples are tuples are defined by defined using the parentheses, and then sets are defined using the curly braces, and they are mostly used when you want to eliminate duplicates or perform mathematical set operations like union, intersection, etc. Because sets are unordered, they do not support indexing or slicing, but they are highly efficient for membership testing and eliminating duplicates. Now I will explain the example of set. So yes, this is the example of set. You can run this code in your system as well. So colors equal to red, blue, green, colors dot add yellow, and colors dot add equal to red. What does it mean? And you can I have missed one line here. You can write that print colors. You can write after these 3 lines, you can write one line also, that print colors. Then you get the output of print colors. Okay, I think I should have this example or not. I have to check it, right? So yes, I have this example. No, you can write the code print yes, you can get the output yellow, green, red, blue, right? So yeah, so what does it mean? I think I should discuss the code also. So first line, colors equal to red, blue, green, is what? This create a set named colors with 3 unique elements. Even if you try to add duplicate values later, they won't be added. And the second line is colors add yellow. What is this? Add yellow to the set. Since it is not already in the set, it will be added. And the third line is colors add under this red. So yes, red is already in the set, so nothing changes, and sets automatically avoid duplications. And this last line is print colors. So yes, it will display the elements in the set. Note that the order may vary each time you print it, since sets are unordered. Okay, I think this is clear to you guys. Okay, so and what is the use case of this set? As I told you that it is used for unique items only, like ID, unique visitors on a website. Okay, now the next topic is also important topic of Python in data structure, that is dictionary in Python. And what is the basic definition of dictionaries in Python? This is the basic definition of dictionaries in Python, that is, a dictionary is unordered collection of key value pairs. Okay, and so yes, dictionaries store data in key value pairs, allowing for fast and efficient data retrieval based on unique keys. And they're defined using what? Curly braces. Yes, dictionary is also defined by using curly braces, where each item has a key value structure. This is very useful when you want to associate a label. And what would be the label? That is key, with some data. And what would be the some data? That is value. So yes, such as sorting, such as storing a student's name with their marks. Okay, this is the best example in which you can use the dictionary in Python, for which a student names with their marks. Okay, and dictionaries are mutable in nature. So yes, and both keys and values can be of any type. It doesn't mean it should be a similar type or same type, although keys must be unique and hashable. Okay, and this is the example of dictionary. So yes, a student named Shalini, age 22, course MBA, and print Shalini name, and you will get the output that Shalini. Okay, so what does it mean? First of all, what does it mean a student, and what is inside, whatever it's inside in the curly braces. So first, create a dictionary named student with 3 key value pairs. First is name, age and course. I have created. You can use more than that, and you can use less than that. Okay, and then print a student name. So yes, accesses and print the value associated with the key name, which is Shalini. And the third line is a student age 22, whatever it is. So yes, you can see the course and age also. So, and the last line is print a student name. So yes, print the entire updated dictionary. And you can, if you want to see the output, guys, then I can show you the output also. You can see the output here. Yeah, this is the whatever dictionary example, that a student name Shalini, whatever it is, print a student name Shalini, whatever is it, and a student university XYZ university. You have, if you want to print university, then you have to write the code of print, because without using print you cannot see the output. Because if you want to the output, then you have to write the code, you have to apply the function print, okay, in Python, because print is used for display the output, right? And the next topic is list comprehension. Yeah, most important thing, what is the best use case of dictionary? So yes, it is perfect for real world entities with properties like student details, product information and employees records. And the next topic is list comprehension in Python. And what is the basic definition? Basic definition of the list comprehension in Python is present over here. A list comprehension is a concise way to create list using a single line of code. Yeah, list comprehensions are a concise way to create list using a single line of code. Instead of using multiple lines with loops and append operations, you can generate new lists from iterables in a more Pythonic and readable manner. Okay, and this is particularly useful when you are filtering or transforming data. And this is the example that you can see. Examples is here, square equal to itna itna, whatever it is, we can see. And yeah, so first square means whatever inside the square bracket, you can see x into x for x in range 5. So yeah, this line creates a list of square numbers. For example, x in range 5, then that is 0 to 4. It calculates x into x and add it to the list, and you will get the result 0 1 4 9 16. Okay, so this is very basic thing. You can run it with yourself. With condition is always is also here. You can see the with condition, even square and itna. If this condition follow, then you can see the output 0 4 16 36 and 64. And what is the best case or use case of this list comprehension structure? So when you want to transform or filter a list in a single line, then you can use the list comprehensive structure. For example, creating a list of names in uppercase from a user inputs list, like name equal to Elias, Bob, Charlie, etc., and upper names like name upper for names in names, and print upper names, that is here. So you can see the output Elias, Bob and Charlie, whatever it is. Whatever you will write the name, you can get the output of the same. And this is the summary table. So I'm just doing the quick review of the today's session. First, I have discussed the list in data structure of this module. So yeah, list is what? It is ordered in nature, it is mutable, it is changeable, it has no unique, there is no concept of unique items in list, and it is used for shopping list, logs, etc. Then after we have discussed about the tuples. So yes, it is also ordered in nature. It is mutable. No, it is not mutable in nature. It has unique items. No, it has no unique items. There is no concept of unique items in tuples. And then after, it is used for best case, that is coordinates, fixed info, IDs, etc. And then set. Yes, it is also no, it is not not in ordered. It is mutable. it has unique items, and it is used for the case unique visitors. Okay, then dictionary. It is ordered in nature? No, it is not ordered in nature. It is mutable. It has key unique, and it is used for student records, that student names with their marks. I have given you the example, remember? And then after, I have discussed about the list comprehensive. So yes, list comprehension is what? Quick list building. It is used for quick list building. Okay, right. List comprehension basically are a concise way to create list using a single line of code, right? So why it is used? It is used instead of using multiple lines with loops and append operations. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you guys. If you have any doubt, you can do comment in comment box. I will respond you, and I will try to solve your problem. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning.